So I always say
do
people
that too.
either, because I treat a lot of grinding and a lot of frowns, right? And grinding mainly because grinding will stop you needing dental work. Tends to work better than the plates, which often create people grinding more than they were anyway. And also they don't use them because compliance is hard.
Well, they're pretty ugly.
And also they're uncomfortable. So whereas softening the masseters works amazingly. I've been doing it for 15 years. It's incredible. And also then stops the headaches. It preserves the teeth. It's got so many benefits. Anyway.
Because teeth are pretty important to age well, right?
Oh, my God, yes. And gum health. And we were taught to overclean our teeth in the wrong way, which gives us early gum degeneration, which exposes roots, which then needs root canals, then needs caps, you name it.